G'day guys, fishing down here with Aiden at the Hawkesbury River. See if we can catch a bass.
Got any?
There he is.
There he is. Bring him up, bring him up. So
Let's
look.
go. That's like
There we
that's
go.
like third cast.
No, not first.
There. I know, I think it's like first cast. Look, he scoffed it.
Yeah.
Straight through the bottom lip like that. Alright, let's go get. Look at his tail. His tail's been chopped on by a turtle or something. It's been. Alright, let's go get the hook out.
Oh, let's release it.
We get the hook out.
Alright.
Nice little centimetre bass.
Just to make sure that it was actually first cast, like, I just bit my line for the eye when he hooked up.
Oh, look at that, mate.
Alright.
Alright,
some line
let's
out,
put him
bro.
down.
Yeah, miss.
Alright. How big do you reckon he is? Like 10?
I've got a measuring tape in my bag.
So do I.
Yeah, but I've got like a proper one, not just a little.
What about a little weight one? Alright, let's get a measurement.
I don't mind because I just pulled it.
No, mine's ready.
Let's have a look how big he is.
Oh, a whopping 19 centimetres.
Yeah,
Look at that. Alright, let's get a photo of the little dog.
We're going to release it now.
Alright, it's a bit dirty today.
Yeah.
Got me socks and slides on.
Alright. Let's do it over here, it's more clean.
Yeah, right.
So over here we're going to release.
Release him. Fuck, he's on the rock.
There he is. Alright, let go of him.
I am.
There we go.
Well, that ain't good.
There he is.
Off he goes.
There you go, back into the water. Pastor's
Second-
got another one. Exact same spot here.
Oh
What
my
the
god.
hell?
I swear to God, this isn't a different fish. I swear to God. See how this one's tail's not all chomped up?
Yeah, look.
Different fish. Tail's not chomped up.
Yep.
Oh my God.
What the?
Fucking. This is like the third cast.
I still haven't even hooked up a lure yet.
Holy demon tooth tiger.
Alright, let's measure this one up. This one scoffed
He
it.
actually scoffed it, bro. Holy crocker, that was in there.
Oh, I can't pull it off.
Alright. Get a little measurement on him.
What the fuck's that?
Oh, I think it's his bumhole. A whopping 19 centimetres again.
Same measurement. What the hell?
Alright, we'll get a photo of the little dog.
Wait, what happened here?
Oh yeah, I cut it in half. Alright, let's get a photo.
Alright. Again in the same spot that we released the other one. Right there. There we go, there he is.
There he is. Off
There we
again. He's pulling out.
Got him.
There he is. Alright, pick him up.
There he is.
It's a good time, eh? Alright, let's go and give him. It's been maybe about half an hour and Aiden caught this little one.
Yep.
Look at that. Alright, we'll get a look. Look at that. Look at the fuck.
What?
Oh, bugger off. I reckon maybe 30. Nah, not 30. Too small for 30.
Yeah, too small.
I reckon about
Oh,
21.
there. 22.
20.
Right there, look.
Look at that.
22.
22. Bit of shit on there. But
Oh,
yeah.
let's go
Alright,
release
let's
it.
go give him a release. 3 bass in like 30 minutes, bro.
Right. Releasing him already. There he goes.
Good job, mate. Right, so Aiden's on. He just caught something. So what happened is, I got snapped off. I got snagged, and I had to snap off.
Can you give me your little clips?
For what? Cut
So,
it.
so, yeah, so I can go in there and I'll walk out to it and then
Can't you just yank it in? Or what happened?
it's tangled around the swivel on the spinner.
Oh shit! All right. Yeah, so Aiden's caught it. It got tangled around my line that I cut off. So I have to go get some things. Alright. Yeah. Is there a drop off? Just cut my line. Got him?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Hang on, guys. Still tangled around there a bit.
Look, here it is. Here he is.
Alright, caught me in the fish now. I ain't caught this.
It's all tangled around though.
Alright, let's go up there and fix it up.
I'll just leave my stuff there for now. Get him off the hook first and
Hang on,
then...
where's my line? Chuck that over there. Oh, you put a little bit of a big hole in his lip, that's for sure.
Yeah, but that's because you had to fucking hang off a piece of line. Like a zipping lorry. Like flying fox. Alright, now get him out. So that, yeah. A bit tangled, eh?
Well, yeah, if he wasn't tangled around,
I'll
the hook
hold
would have came out straight away.
I'll hold it there.
Alright, hook's out.
Oh, up there. The first one on there. Oh, there we go.
Alright,
You
yeah,
pick him
hold
up.
it.
Alright, so we got the
here's your
fishy,
fish. Hold it.
and
It's your fish, mate.
now we're gonna get a photo.
Let go of all these rocks. Ouch, ouch. Alright.
Alright, we're releasing him in.
Go. Yep.
Just need to get his water on his gills. There he goes. He's off healthy. We knew a hole in him.
Alright, guys, thanks for watching.
Yep.
Caught 2 bass each.
Yeah, and then I got busted by a 40 centimetre bass just out there, bar.
Yeah, bloody spewing. Alright, make sure you go follow Aiden on Instagram. It'll be in the description and on the screen now, so yeah, make sure you go do that. Go follow me too. And yeah, see you in the next one.